morning, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today I am going to be playing with some SheModern Sparkling Glitter, Pink Fuchsia, this is supposed to be purple, Pink Fuchsia Hollow Sparkling Iridescent Powders, Black Hollow. We're going to be playing with both of these today. Whoops. Let's turn it around. Let's see if you can see them. They are really pretty. These are from SheModern.com. I'm going to open these up, turn them counterclockwise, remove the cap. On a swatch stick, I hope you can see this. I was practicing. I ombre the purple, pink fuchsia as the bottle says, and the black together, and I think they look super cute for Halloween. So there's an idea for you ladies. To use these, you're going to need, well, if you're using regular polish top coat, you're going to need nail glue. If you use gel polish, put these on over your base coat. Put your base coat on first, cure it. Do not wipe it with the alcohol prep. Put these right on the sticky base. From that point on, do as I do, except when you get to the top coat, put your gel top coat on and cure. Okay, let's get started here now. I have got my glue, my foil art glue from Wish. I'm going to apply on 3 of my nails. You don't need a lot. Just a little goes a long way. Let me clue you in on something, ladies. If you do not top coat these well enough, you can rub this right off with regular polish. I found that out last night playing with them. These take just a little bit to dry. When the glue dries, it does dry clear instead of white on my thumb from where I was playing last night, as well as my pinky, the purple and the black, pink fuchsia, and the black hollow powders. With the top coat, I would suggest, today I'm just going to use my Sesh Feet to top these and see how well it does. But if I use Quick Dry Pro FX or Sally Hansen's Insta Dry, if I use either one of these, you gotta put a couple of coats on. It seems like the hollow pigment just sucks it up. So we want these dry. I don't know if I'm going to do any nail art on them today or if this is just going to be purely SheModern. Haven't decided that yet. I guess it will depend on time. My index finger, I'm just going to do the black powder, the black hollow. And in here, as you move your finger around, roll your finger back and forth, remember a little goes a long way, you can see the hollow in the pigment. And it is like super pretty. Dab this down with your finger. Brush it off. I have my fan brush out here. Well, that's not a fan brush. This is a fan brush. To wipe at my cuticles. To dust off the excess glitters. I think this is super pretty. I hope that you can see this well enough. Next, I think I'm going to do my ring finger, and I'm going to do ombre. I'm going to do these half and half. I think these are really super cute. SheModern has a sale on right now until the 20th. 45% off. These you get 4 in a pack. I believe it's for $30. Also with that, you get, at their choice, a random water decal pack. These are super cute. The water decals I love. I have currently a giveaway going on. You can win 1 decal of your choice. Check me out. Find my video that says giveaway SheModern. Comment, enter me, US or international. On my middle finger, I'm going to reverse. I'm going to put the black on the top, purple on the bottom. I love these powders. I'm waiting for a shipment now where I think I have the orange. I'm really, really hoping to get those before Halloween. I have a mani in mind that I want to do with these. With the orange. Okay, let me see. We're missing some on the sidewall here. I don't know if the glue didn't get there or if they're just not sticking. No glue there, okay. You gotta watch where you do the glue, because if you don't have any glue, then the pigment will not stick. Give them a quick blow, and here we go. So on top of these, I'm going to add my Sesh Feet and see how well that does with them. I need to get me a new bottle. Cap the ends of your nails. Before you stick your brush back in your bottle, I suggest wiping it off so you're not transferring anything back into your gel or your top coat. Whoops. Fewer the strokes, the better. Cap your nail. Whoops, and I just contaminated my bottle. Good going. Cap the end of your nail. I'm going to wipe my brush back off twice because I hope I didn't contaminate my Sesh Feet. This is my go-to top coat. Beautiful, beautiful top coat. I highly recommend that. And by the looks of these, I'm going to need another coat. It looks like it's just drinking it right up. And it feels like it too. So I guess 2 coats of Sesh Feet over the hollow pigments. So you can still feel it if you run your nail over it, your finger over it. Sesh Feet to me is the fastest drying top coat I have found. Wipe your brush off. Don't put your arm back in that. Once again, wipe your brush off. Leave me a comment down below in the box. Let me know what you think of this. I love the hollow powders. Pigment. They're not powders, they are pigments. I'm going to close my Sesh Feet for right now because I do not know if I'm going to need another coat or not. I think these are super, super pretty. I do love them. I think they look gorgeous for Halloween or any other time of the year. You are going to need to do some cleanup. So let me get my remover out and a brush. Go around your sidewalls. You'll be able to very visibly see where your pigments are. You have an area to wipe your brush off. I think these turned out really good, except for the glue did not stick. It kind of bums me out. Hope you're having a good day. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you got planned for this Halloween season. What you're going to be doing today. Let's move that out of my light. So what do you think? I think they turned out pretty cool. Okay, 2 coats of Sesh Feet, and you should be... Oops, I just smeared that one. That one was not dry. See it? I smeared it badly. A big oops. Oops. Well, you know to let them dry a little bit longer than you would normally using Sesh Feet. So I learned a lesson there. Let them dry a little bit longer. Alrighty, I think we're going to call it a day here since we messed up that nail. 4 out of 5 ain't too bad. I guess no nail stamping, no nail art today. We're just going to call this our... I don't know, should I call it a Halloween edition? You can use these for Halloween. Purple and black go great together for Halloween. And I hope you like it, except for my boo-boo here, my oops. But just to let you know, you can use these with nail stamping. I did on this finger with a spider web. Not too sure if you can see that or not, but there is a spider web on that nail. And I really do like this. Hope you like it too. Let me know. Leave me a comment. Have a blessed day.